Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pasta is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours. Here we see the semolina and water combining. The smooth rotation of the pedals is crucial for developing the...
Check the hydration on line 3, it's dropping rapidly.
Rerouting the mix, stabilizing consistency now.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect texture.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how pasta is made, frigid from start to finish. Thanks for watching.